Welcome to Topper Engineering Classes. In today's lecture, we'll see TCS NQT Aptitude questions. This is the part 1 of our series of aptitude questions, but I have also uploaded a separate video on verbal questions that were asked in previous years. So don't forget to check that also. I'll post the link in description. So let's start with our video. Question 1 is one rectangular plate with 8 inches breadth, 11 inches and 2 inches thickness is there. What is the length of the circular rod with diameter 8 inches and equal to volume of rectangular plate? So here they have clearly given that volume of rectangular plate is equal to the volume of circular rod is equal to volume of circular rod, that is nothing but cylinder. Okay, so the diameter is given as 8 inches. See here, the diameter is given as 8 inches for circular rod. Therefore, the radius will be 8 inches. If the diameter is 4 inches. If the diameter is 8 inches, then our radius will be 4 inches. Okay. Next, length is given as 8 inches. Breadth is given as 11 inches, and thickness, that is width, is given as 2 inches. Okay, so the volume of rectangle is I'll write it here. The formula for volume of rectangle is length into breadth into width, and the volume of cylinder, that is our circular rod, is pi into r into length, where r is nothing but radius, and L is length, B is breadth, W is our thickness, that is width. Okay, so the values that are given here are length is 8 inches, see here 8 inches into 11 inches into 2 inches, and for volume of cylinder it is given as pi, that is 22 by 7 into 4 and into length. Now length, we have to calculate the length first. So here 8 into 11 into 2 into 7 by 22 into 1 by 4 into 1 by 4. That is, length is nothing but, if you calculate this, it will come as 1232 upon 352. That is nothing but equals to 3.5 inches. Now here I have done this because it was given in the question that volume of rectangular plate is equals to volume of circular plate, and we have to just find the length. So like solving this both the equations, like putting it in front of each other in RHS and LHS and so on, so we get the expression of length, and from which we calculate our length. That is what asked in the question. So our answer is 3.5 inches. And if you have any doubt, please ask in the comment section. I'll clear all your doubts there. And also, if you still have like more doubts, then you can join us on our Telegram channel. There itself, you can personally DM and I'll clear your doubts. Let's move to the next question. Second question is, in some game 139 members have participated. Every time one fellow will get out. What is the number of matches to choose the champion to be held? So here, see, there are like it is said that one player like gets a bye in each round. He will reach the finals of the tournament without playing a match. Therefore, 137 matches should be played to determine the second finalist from the remaining 138 players, excluding the first player. Therefore, to determine the winner, that is the champion, the 138 matches should be played. That's it. So our answer is 138. Question 3. Falling height is proportional to square of the time. One object falls 64 in 2 seconds, 64 centimeter in 2 seconds. Then in 6 seconds, from how much height the object will fall? Okay, so we'll solve this. The falling height is proportional to the square of the time that is given here. Falling height is proportional to the square of the time. Okay, so the given falling height is 64. Height is given as 64 centimeter at 2 seconds. That is the time. So the proportional constant is equal to 64 upon 2 into 2. That is nothing but equal to 16. That is 4. So our answer will be 16. I mean the proportional constant. So at 6 seconds, the object fall maximum at 6 seconds. The object will fall maximum for 16 into 6 into 6 centimeter. That is nothing but equals to 576 centimeter. Now the object may be situated at anywhere. If the object is greater than 576, I mean not object, if it is greater than 576, only that time the object falling 576 centimeter within 6 seconds. Otherwise, if it is situated greater than 576, then it will fall only that height at 6 seconds. So our answer will be 576 centimeter. Here we have to find the weight, so height. So our answer is height is equals to 576 centimeter. Next question. Oh. Gavaskar average in first 50 innings was 50. After that, after the 51st innings, his average was 51. So for 50, the average was 50. And for 51 innings, the average is 51. How many runs he made in the 51st innings? Okay, so let number of runs made be x in x in 51st match. In all 50 matches, Gavaskar average 50 matches. The Gavaskar's average is 50. So current average is equals to 50 into 50 plus x upon 51 equals to 51. That is the current average is 51. So we have to calculate x here. That is, it will 50 into 50 is nothing but 2500 plus x equals to 51 into 51. This will go here and it will be multiplied with 51. So we have to and it will become something 2601. Yes. So for calculating x, we'll multiply 2601 we will calculate 2601 minus 2500. That is x equals to 101. So our option is 101. I mean answer is 101. I hope that's clear, but if it isn't, please don't hesitate like writing it in comment section, and also you can ask me on the Telegram channel. Question 5. 2 oranges, 3 bananas and 4 apples cost rupees 15. 3 oranges, 2 bananas, 1 apple cost rupees 10. What is the cost of 3 oranges, 3 bananas and 3 apples? So the given is 2 oranges plus 3 bananas plus 4 apples is equals to 15 rupees. I mean cost, and 3 oranges, that is all. Okay, otherwise you'll think that it is 30, so I wrote it. 3 oranges plus 2 bananas plus 1 apple. The cost for this is 10 rupees. And what is the cost of 3 oranges plus 3 bananas plus 3 apples? So we have to find this value. So let the price of 1 orange be x. Let the price of y uh, let the price of 1 banana be y, and let the price of 1 apple be z. Okay, thus it will become 2x plus 3y plus 4a 4z, that is equals to 15 as wrote it here. 3x plus 2y plus z is 10. That is equation 1 and 2. Okay, 1 and 2. So adding both the equations, we get 5 into x plus y plus z is equals to 25. That is nothing but x plus y plus z is equals to 5. By multiplying both the sides by 3, like into 3 and into 3, we get, because I multiplied 3 because we have to find 3 oranges, 3 bananas and 3 apples cost. So I multiplied both the sides with 3. So we get 3x plus 3y plus 3z is equals to 15. So our cost will be rupees 15. That is the answer. See, it is quite easy, but if you prepare properly, then only you will be able to solve it in exam. So prepare it, like pause the video and take a pen and paper and then start solving it. By just watching the video, you will not be able to uh, do it properly in exam. Yeah. So question 6. A work is done by the people in 24 minutes. One of them can do this work alonely. It is alone in 40 minutes. How much time required to do the same work for the second person? Okay. So let A, will define A, does the work in 40 minutes, that is given here. Let B works in X minutes. X minutes. The amount of work, that is amount of work done by A in 1 minute is equals to 1 by 40. Okay. Therefore, the amount of work done by B in 1 minute is equals to 1 by X. The amount of work done, like by joining both A and B, the amount will be equals to, that is amount of work done by A and B will be 1 by 24. See, it is given here only. I'm not doing it by myself. It is given in the question only. Okay. Next, uh, it means 1 by 40 plus 1 by x is equals to 1 by 24, because we have to find the amount of work by this done by the second person. I mean the time required for the second person. So we have to do like this. This is for A and B. This is for A, B and AB both. Okay, so we have to find this x. By solving the equation, we get x equals to 60. That is the answer. That is 60 minutes. The amount, like the time required for the second person to do the work is 60 minutes. That's it. See, the questions are quite easy, but if you practice, then it is easy. Otherwise, you may face some problems during exams. So I suggest again, I'll suggest that please pause the video and try using pen and paper. Question 7. For a round trip, a car used 4 into 1 by 2 gallons of gasoline. If it used 1 by 4 more gasoline going than coming back, how much gasoline was used coming back? So going and coming means like going and coming from that destination, nothing else. So here given is total fuel, that is our gasoline, is 4.5, that is 4 into 1 by 2 is 4.5 gallon. Now let amount of fuel while coming. See, we are it is for while coming, not going, so be careful. While coming, that is while coming is x, and amount of fuel while going, like he has to go first and then come back, so it is given as x plus 1 by 4. Here it is given at here. If it used 1 by 4 more gasoline going than coming back, like if our the amount is x for coming back, and it is saying that 1 by 4 more than coming back, that is x plus 1 by 4. I hope that is clear. So our equation will become x plus 1 by 4 into x plus x equals to 4 by 4.5. So it will become 9 by 4 if you calculate it properly, and this is 4.5. After calculating this, our x will be 2. That is our answer. So he'll require 2 gallons more. Question 8. A salesperson multiplied a number and get the answer is 3. Instead of that number divided by 3, what is the answer he actually has to get? Okay. See, here it is given as x is, if x is the number, we'll assume x is the number, then 3x is equals to 3. X, therefore x will become 1. So on dividing the number by 3, he should get 1 by 3. So our answer will be 1 by 3. Question 9. Wind flows 160 miles in 330 minutes. For 80 miles, how much time required? See, here it is given as 160 miles is equals to 330 minutes. Like wind flows 160 miles in 330 minutes. For 80 miles, how much time is required? X. So we have to find the x here. Nothing else. So for 1 mile, it will become 330 into 80, like 330 into 80 upon 160. That will be our x. That is 165 minutes. This was a very easiest question I have ever seen in TCS. Question 10. A man on a motorcycle rides 110 miles in 330 minutes. What is his average speed in miles per hour? Okay. See, speed is given as miles per hour. Here, miles per hour. Time is given as 330 minutes. So we have to convert it in hours. Therefore, we will divide it by 60. That will become our hours. Distance. This is time. Distance is given 110 miles. Here, distance. Okay, and speed. So we have to calculate the speed. That is average speed. So that is 110 upon 330 upon 60. That is nothing but 20 miles per hour. See, you have to calculate it by yourself because it will help you in practicing the questions too. So this was all about the first part. Like I'm keeping the videos short so that you people don't get bored like that, and I'll upload like rest of the questions in the next part. So don't forget to subscribe so that you never miss my channel, so I mean you never missed my videos that I will upload. And yes, if you like the video, please hit the like button and also share it with your friends. Also, Please join us on Telegram if you have any doubt, or if you do want any updates on further drives and many more things. Just click on the link in description. I'll post the link in a description for our Telegram channel. That's it. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.